Hey, it's me, Zayfar Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This is my $12 drill, my $10 drill press, my $6 drill vise. And I have a piece of very thin aluminium, probably 1/16 of an inch. And I have a 1/8 inch drill bit. Now we're going to see what happens when we turn it on. Oh dear, that doesn't look too good. Maybe I have a duff drill bit. Okay, I've just changed the drill bit. Let's see what happens. That didn't look very promising, did it? And it could be that there's some give in this plastic collar, but I'm not actually detecting any. And there is a little bit of give in the column, but I don't think that's the problem either. Put my hand on the column to dampen it. That is not looking too good. Let's move this a little bit because it's obviously drilled in a different place. Let me move that along. And there we go. Let's try it now. I'm dampening it. Well, I managed to drill a hole. I'm not impressed. Are you?